Good afternoon, everyone. Ẹ káàsán, ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. I'm so happy to be here to be seeing you again today. Ẹ kú ojúmọ́, ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Ṣàlàáfíà ni gbogbo yín ṣe. I'm so happy to be here again for this lesson this afternoon. It's just simple sentences we'll be looking at today and how to say them in Yoruba. So your task is for you to be able to pronounce them. All right. So that is what we'll be learning basically today. Today we shall be learning Yoruba expressions and ensure you learn and practice the sentences. All right. So it is purely practical work. So you have to listen to how they are being pronounced and try to pronounce them in your own words too. So the first one is hi. Hi in Yoruba means báwo ni. And of course you say báwo ni to someone who is of your age group. You don't say hi or báwo ni to someone older. All right. So good morning. Ẹ káàárọ̀. You all know this. Good morning. Ẹ káàárọ̀. You say ẹ. You use ẹ for someone who is older, and of course, someone who is older will use karo. Right? Same thing is applicable to good afternoon. Ẹ káàsán. If it's someone younger or your mate, you say káàsán. Someone older, ẹ káàsán. Alright, the next one is ó dàárọ̀. After the day's activities, you are going to bed. What do you say? Ó dàárọ̀ with a wave. Ó dàárọ̀. Ó dàárọ̀. And of course, the next one is ẹ káàbọ̀. When you go out, mommy is coming back after the day's work is ẹ káàbọ̀. That's what you're going to say. Ẹ káàbọ̀, especially now that they were at home. All right. Congratulations. Congratulations. Ẹ kú oríire. And with your mate, you say kú oríire. Someone older, ẹ kú oríire. All right. The next one is hello, my friend. Báwo ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi? Hello, my friend. Báwo ni ọ̀rẹ́ mi? Learn to pronounce them the way it's been properly pronounced. Okay. Next one is thank you. O ṣé, thank you. O ṣé or ẹ ṣé, thank you. Ẹ ṣé, thank you. I appreciate. The next one is come and eat. Wá jẹun. Just ignore the S. It's wá jẹun. Wá jẹun. Come and eat. Wá jẹun. The next one is ebi ń pa mí. That is, I am hungry. I'm hungry. I want to eat. Ebi ń pa mí. Ebi ń pa mí. I'm hungry. Ebi ń pa mí. Coca-Cola. Mo fẹ́ mu omi. I want to drink water. Mo fẹ́ mu omi. I want to drink water. All right? That's the next slide. I want to drink water. Mo fẹ́ mu omi. Mo fẹ́ mu omi. I'm thirsty. I want to drink water. So that's the